Criminology. Etymology. The root of the word. Derived from the Latin root word crimin, meaning offense, and the Greek logos or logia, meaning to study. 1885, Italy. The term of introduced by Raphael Garofalo as criminologia. 1887, France. The term was introduced by Paul Tupinard as criminology. Scientific definition: it is a body of knowledge regarding crime and the social phenomenon is included within the three scopes: the making of the laws, the breaking of law, and the reaction to society toward and breaking of the law. Edwin Sutherland and Donald Creasy, 1934. It is multidisciplinary scientific study is the non-logical aspect of crime, focusing on the causes, correction, and prevention, and drew from diverse fields as sociology, psychology, and biology, to understanding criminal behavior and the functional processes of the criminal justice system. The four of principal divisions of criminology. Number 1 is sociology of law, which is an type of scientific analysis of the condition under the criminal law influence society. Number 2, criminal theology, which is attempt at the science analysis of the study causes or reason for crime. Penology, concerned the control of the crime, the presenting criminal activities through the fear of the punishment. Number 4, criminalistics, concerns with the colleague identification and recognition of physical evidence at the crime scenes.